Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make an animated glowing text using a VN editor. First you need to open your VN editor, and then after that you need to make a new project. Here on the new project you need to click stock and then add a black background, and after that you need to adjust the length of the time of this background. For example, I want to use 5 seconds, and after that add a text by clicking this kind of symbol, and then for example I want to type tongue tips like this, and then adjust the size of the text, and put it on the center of the video. Now you need to adjust the length of the time of the text as same as the background, and after that you need to duplicate this text. But before you duplicate it, you need to adjust the color onto a gray color like this, and then duplicate it. And now you need to cut it onto, for example, maybe I would like to use 1 second. Okay, like this. And here you need to adjust the color of the second text onto white color. And after that, click the duplicated text and swipe the toolbar onto left, and then click the mask tools here. Now you need to add a mirror mask and then move the position of the mask onto a vertical position and adjust the size of the mask like this, and then adjust the arrow symbol here like this, and then put the mask on the first of the text on the T like this, and click keyframe, and then go to the end of the text, and now move your mouse onto the end of the text like this. And after you finish, click finish. Now is the most important things. You need to duplicate this text that you already add a keyframe like this, and then move the duplicate text like this, and try to make the position is same like this, and do it until finish on the end of the video like this. Move it one more time, and now it's done. Now we can see the results, and your video will be look like this. That's how the way you to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.